Hey everybody, it's Ken Compton, and today I'm going to take you on a quick tour of the Home Inspector Growth Academy. I'm going to talk to you about some of my favorite features. I know that we've sent you quite a few emails, and we want to be able to share with you a look on the inside of the site. So let's take a quick look and see. One of my favorite things is the Home Inspector Training Hub. If you have known the Home Inspector Growth Academy or maybe the Savvy Inspector in the past, which was our old name, then what happens is you went on our membership website. And one of the things that we got continuously was that there's so much information available on the site that we kind of get overwhelmed. It's kind of like drinking out of a fire hose. So we upgraded our site, this, that, and the other, but there really wasn't the technology there to do it. So today there is technology to really help us. And so we've leveraged that technology. So what happens is, let's say that you're a one-man shop and you're happy being a one-man shop, but you just need systems and procedures to make your life easier. We've got that information segregated for you. Or how about if you've just graduated from home inspection school and you need to know what the heck you need to do next? That information is all segregated. So you don't have to see all of the other advanced strategies when you're not there. You can focus on where you are in the marketplace, working those skill sets, get to the next level, then work those skill sets in the next level. Think about climbing a ladder. You all know that. Excuse me. So let's take a look at how we've done it. Obviously, I want you to watch these videos, and I'll tell you more about it. So right here, if you just graduated from the home inspection school, what happens is you click on this button, and the fact of the matter is that it'll open up, and here will be courses for you. Here's a 30-day quick start action plan for the newly licensed inspector. What the heck should I do to get started in my business? And then all of these ones are different courses. So every time you just push down on one, you'll see a course under it. 30-day action plan we made real easy. Here's your goal. Here's week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, and we've, really said what happens. Here's one of the cool things. Day 1 and day 2, here's what we want you to do to get rolling. And anytime you see a red with a link like this, that means there's a resource there. Why should we make you create the resource? If you have to create the resource, all you've done is delayed the time on getting your business up and rolling. So throughout the training, what you're going to see is these anchor text links. And just click on that, and that'll open up whatever it is you need. This one's on how to register your home inspection business. This one is a home inspection business walkthrough, and it goes on a quick start FAQ, first steps for a new home inspector. I mean, it goes on and on and on about it, and we have hundreds of these. Excuse me. So what happens up above is these are courses. Here's the tools and templates. So what you need is all of these different tools and templates, and there's step-by-step checklists. Our goal is to make our information plug and play into your business. Okay, we don't want you to think all this stuff up. That's our job as the coaching company. We develop these materials for home inspectors exclusively, and we want you to be able to use them. So anytime you see this symbol, then you can download that information. And what I would encourage you to do is work the course, download the template. Work the course, download the material. Okay, so that you can take that material and apply it immediately to the course that you've taken to grow your business on the next step. It's super easy. Now, you're in here and we're in here and just graduated from home inspection school. Why in the hell would you need to see advanced strategies at this point in your career? You don't. Okay, and that's why we've segregated all the information out from just graduated from home inspection school. We have all of the other ones segregated out, and I want to share with you a minute. You've been in business for 24 months or less and you need more sales. Who doesn't? Okay, so what happens is here's all of the coursework and tools and templates designed specifically for that. We call them avatars or personas. For if you fall into that category, you've been in business for less than 24 months and you still need more sales, click on that and learn all of the skill sets that you need. It's set up the same way as just graduated from home inspection school. Same way, your one-man shop needing systems and procedures to make your life easier. Boom, there it is. Okay, we have several of these. One-man shop wanting to be a multi-inspector firm. How many of you have aspirations to grow to a multi-inspector firm, but you're afraid to because your inspector is going to screw you up with your agents, or they're going to miss something and cause you a big liability, or you don't know how to hire, or you don't know how to pay, or you don't know anything about moving from a one-man shop to a multi-man. There it is right there. So then you become a new multi-inspector firm. Well, we have small multi-inspector firms already that just have maybe the owner and one inspector. These are the skill sets you need. Click on this card. And what happens is it all opens up. For example, you could just, I'll show you this one. What happens again, courses and tools and templates. So here's your 30-day jumpstart action plan. And here's all of the things, the courses you need to take. And what happens is it opens up with a video and it has the objectives. It has the whole thing. Scroll on down and you can work right through the course. Okay, so that's exactly how it works. And sometimes there's multiple courses within a course. Okay, so you can work through those. Let's look at, from being invisible to irresistible. Okay, again, section 1, why it matters, what does it mean, all the thing. Here's a video overview of it. But then what happens is you can go up here to the resources section again and access all of the tools and templates. Embracing change or face obsolescence, mindset articles, average, how to leverage local SEO, using keyword research to get your content seen. The list goes on and on. And again, every time you see one of these symbols, that means you can download the material. Okay, so here's what happens is a lot of home inspectors and a lot of business owners have this shiny, object syndrome. They see the next shiny thing, the next shiny object over here, and you know what they do? They stop what they're doing, what they should be doing, and they go over there and work on that. I don't want you to do that. I want you to just come back here to this section, and I want you to just say, where am I? Be honest with yourself. If you just graduated from home inspection school, don't fool with the rest of this stuff. Okay, just get in there and learn the skills that you need to get to the next level. So when you finish that level and you get to the next level, come build the skills here in this one. Okay, and move yourself on up the rungs of the ladder. Okay, to wherever you want to be. So all of the tools, all of the training that you're going to need is right here. So please, please, please select where you are in the market today, not where you want to be, but where you are in the market today, and build those skill sets. Use those checklists, checklists, the tools, the templates that we give you up above and in the coursework to be able to solve the problems that you're facing today. Okay, I promise you, if you do that, it's the quickest way to success. Whatever your dream is, you can achieve it using this material. And again, you don't have to worry about drinking out of a fire hose because all of the information is segregated for you under that card. Okay, so if you need it, we have it under there. And we're continuing to build based on questions that we get from our customers and that kind of thing. Anyway, Ken Compton, Home Inspector Growth Academy. Want you to get signed up, get going with us. You will become the home inspector business owner of your dreams if you'll get in here and work this stuff. Okay, thanks, and see you on the next video.